6 ways to use stress as strength. Samurai wisdom. Stress is often seen as a weakness, something to be avoided, managed, or suppressed. But the samurai saw it differently. They believed stress was not an enemy, but a tool to shape the warrior spirit. In the heat of pressure and chaos, true strength was revealed. The first way to use stress as strength is to embrace it as a teacher. The samurai understood that discomfort reveals what still needs to be mastered. Instead of running from stress, they leaned into it, asking, "What can this moment teach me?" When you stop resisting stress and begin studying it, you gain control over your mind instead of being ruled by emotion. The second way is to use stress to sharpen your focus. Like a blade under the whetstone, the samurai mind became more precise under pressure. Stress, when channeled properly, forces you to eliminate distractions and concentrate on the task at hand. In those intense moments, you discover what truly matters. Let stress be the fire that burns away the unnecessary, leaving only clarity and action. Third, stress can build emotional resilience. The samurai did not expect a peaceful life. They trained their minds to remain calm during chaos. When stress appears, see it as a weight for your mental strength to lift. Each time you hold your ground instead of panicking, you become harder to shake. Like armor forged in fire, your soul grows stronger through trials, not comfort. The fourth way to turn stress into strength is through ritual and discipline. The samurai had strict daily practices that anchored them, no matter what storms came. Discipline becomes your shield when everything feels out of control. When you're stressed, fall back on your training, whether it's breathwork, journaling, movement, or silence. Structure gives your mind something solid to stand on when the world shakes. Fifth, stress reminds you of what's at stake. It's a signal of meaning. We don't stress about things that don't matter. The samurai lived by a code of honor, where duty and responsibility gave their lives weight. When you feel stress, ask yourself, what value am I protecting? Use that energy to recommit to your mission. Let stress awaken your purpose, not paralyze you. Lastly, the sixth way is to transform stress into movement. Samurai philosophy taught that action dissolves fear. When overwhelmed, don't freeze, move. Whether it's one small step or a bold leap, motion converts nervous energy into progress. Stillness of mind is not always passive, it's created by decisive movement. You defeat stress not by standing still, but by using it as fuel to act with courage. So the next time stress visits your life, don't push it away. Welcome it like an old master with hard lessons and sharp wisdom. Let it teach you, sharpen you, and forge you into something stronger. Like the samurai, don't fear the fire, become the warrior it was meant to shape.